I love playing with this top reasoning coding model, and if you don't know, GLM is one of those open source top models which you need to play around. I try to make 3D models, objects of these random stuff, and I'm genuinely impressed. So I created this first controller, and it is looking better than previous one, which was like a really bland controller trying to mimic the Xbox, but it's nowhere looking like Xbox. Then I tried mechanical keyboard aesthetic, which somehow I succeeded to do. If you press these buttons, it also works that way. Then I tried to create this synthwave scene. If you don't know synthwave, then synthwave was one of those meme trend that used to be like on the trend for like 3 or 4 years ago. I don't know what's going out right now, but Instagram killed it very well. It almost looks like a video game. Then I created an interactive 3D submarine. Prompt which I gave for this was copied from Claude. Okay, so this is our interesting submarine, which is almost looking like in the deep sea. This is a steampunk solar system, and if you don't know what prompt I gave, let me be a little bit generous for you guys. This is the prompt, which of course generated by another AI. I'm just a human in the loop. And this one is one of my favorite 3D looks, so it can actually transform this car into a robot. And this is basically the GitHub city, which I don't find any relevance here. You just have to make, the timing is night, now it's sunset, now it's day, now it's sunrise. Another which is like this lead code hamster wheel. So you have to press these arrow keys and make this thing move.